Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineers Club. Today in this class I will give you 10 numbers of question from steel structure which will be very common and important for Junior Engineer Civil in West Bengal Public Service Commission and Assistant Engineer Civil in WBSETCL. So don't skip the video and watch this till the one. For a single section used as a tension member, the given area is assumed. Option A 20% to 30% in excess of the net area. Option B 30% to 40% in excess of the net area. Option C 40% to 50% in excess of the net area. And option D 50% to 60% in excess of the net area. And here the correct answer is 20% to 30% in excess of the net area, option A. When we will use a single section as a tension member, the given area will assume as 20% to 30% in excess of the net area. So the correct answer is option A. For a single section used as a tension member, the given area is assumed as 20% to 30% in excess of the net area. And this question is very important. Question number 2. When the length of a tension member is too long, option A wire rope is used, option B a rod is used, option C a bar is used, and option D a single angle is used. And in this question the correct answer is option D, a single angle is used. When the length of the tension member is very high or very long, then you will use a single angle. So a single angle will be used when the length of the tension member is too long. So the correct answer is option D, a single angle is. Question number 3. Tacking rivets in tension members are provided at a pitch in line not exceeding option A 25 cm, option B 100 cm, option C 50 cm, and option D 60 cm. Always remember the tacking rivets in tension member is generally provided at a pitch in line not exceeding 100 cm. So correct answer for this question is 100 cm, option B. Option B 100 cm is the correct answer. So tacking rivets in tension members are always provided at a pitch in line not exceeding 100 cm. Next question number 4. A tension member if subjected to possible reversal stress due to wind or earthquake, the slenderness ratio of the member should not exceed option A 180, option B 300, option C 350, and option D 250. What is the correct answer? Always remember when a tension member is subjected to possible reversal stress due to wind or earthquake, the slenderness ratio of that member should not exceed 350. So option C 350 is the correct answer for this question. Next question is also very important for your examination. Question number 5. The maximum slenderness ratio of a compression member carrying both dead and superimposed load is option A 180, option B 250, option C 200, and option D 350. When a member carrying compression load due to dead and superimposed load, the maximum slenderness ratio should be 180. So the correct answer for this question is 180. So the maximum slenderness ratio of a compression member carrying both dead and superimposed load is 180. Number 6. The effective length of a battened column is increased by option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 20%, and option D 15%. In case of battened column, the effective length is always increased by 10%. So 10% is in option B. So the correct answer is option B 10%. The effective length of a battened column is increased by 10%. Question number 7. Angle of inclination of a lacing bar with the longitudinal axis of the column should preferably be between option A 90 degree, option B 10 degree to 30 degree, option C 40 degree to 70 degree, and option D 30 degree to 40 degree. Anyone know this question answer? So the correct answer is option C 40 degree to 70 degree. 40 degree to 70 degree is the correct answer. So the angle of inclination of a lacing bar with the longitudinal axis of the column should preferably be between 40 degree to 70 degree. So option C is the correct answer for question number 8. According to IS 800 1984, lacing bar resist transverse shear equal to option A 1% of axial load, option B 2.5% of axial load, option C 3% of axial load, and option D 2% of axial load. This question is very common and very important, and it is generally oftenly asked in different government examination. Recently in KMC sub-assistant engineer civil examination, there was a question where you were given the axial load and you had to find out the transverse shear which was carried by the lacing bar. So in this question the correct answer is 2.5% of axial load. Option B 2.5% of axial load is the correct answer. So according to IS 800 1984, lacing bar resist transverse shear equal to 2.5% of axial load. So option B 2.5% of axial load is the correct answer for this question. Number 9. Which of the following statements is correct for log angle? Option A are necessarily equal angle, option B are always equal angle, option C increase the shear resistance of joint, and option D reduce the length of joint. So the correct answer is option D, reduce the length of joint. Log angle is generally used to reduce the length of the joint. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Question number 10. If the Fy is the minimum yield stress of steel, then actually this is not a question. I have written this question like a statement, and in this statement, from this statement you can get 4 questions. Suppose you will be given the steel, the value of minimum yield stress of steel Fy, and then you will be asked to find out the axial tension or bending tension or maximum shear stress or bending stress. Then you have to use this formula. So if Fy is the minimum yield stress of steel and you will be given the value of Fy in your examination, you have to find out when the axial tension, you have to put the formula axial tension equals to 0.6 Fy, bending tension equals to 0.66 Fy, maximum shear stress equals to 0.45 Fy, and bending stress equals to 0.75 Fy. So this is a very important statement, and you have to memorize this formula, and I hope there will be minimum one question from this statement. So please memorize this. As that brings me to the end of the video. I hope this video will definitely help you in your examination, and all the questions which I have already discussed in this video will definitely get very common in your examination. So if you like this video, then don't forget to share with your friends, and those who are yet to subscribe, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.